God. Shoot.
Can you call 911? And I'll tell them where we're at.
We have an overturned vehicle on the highway.
82?
On Highway 82, just about 1 or 2 miles west of
Montrose.
What kind of vehicle? It's SU west of Montrose. Gary Birch. We're unsure. We're almost in a tornado here.
Yeah, you might tell him you gotta go. We gotta go.
No, just stay here.
Okay.
We're okay.
No, you don't see the radar right now.
Okay, thank you. Just sit. We're okay.
Like on top of us. We almost got hit by it. Oh my God. Oh, there.
Power flash, power flash, power flash, power flash.
Stop saying power. Oh my God. Oh. That's a tornado.
Okay, we can go. They said they were on their way. Down power line. Oh my God. This was a tornado. You were right.
Another power line.
Okay. Go.
I can see.
Turn to the right and go under that one. I did tell them we were in a tornado, didn't I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Film something, please. I don't get a nail. Oh, there's power flashes.
Oh shit.
It might still be right there. I gotta go.
Bye.
There it is.
Oh.